So today at Falcon Hill we were able to celebrate our final PBIS assembly, and this assembly was special because we have been all year implementing PBIS and what it means to be safe, respectful, responsible, and caring. We had awards, we gave away bikes and tickets to the aquarium, and just celebrated the students and all of their positive behavior. In addition to that, we also had the pleasure of having CenturyLink come and honor one of our teachers, Andrea Hall, a 6th grade teacher, for her application for $5,000 grant, which is going to be dedicated to technology and increasing our goal to being a one-to-one school.
The students use a lot of technology and they guide their own learning, and so our goal is to have each student be one-on-one with their Lenovo's. And so we applied and we won $5,000 to put towards further technology in our classrooms.